guys how to save on Sims 4. Now, there's a bug going around that you're not be able to manually save, but for the PlayStation and Xbox One, you're going to be able to save it with an autosave. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, you're going to be on the the dashboard, the main menu, whichever. Then you'll start the game. You can either load the game or you can go to new game, whichever one you want. Doesn't really matter, but just make sure you get into a save game. I already have an auto save, so I'm going to show you guys here on how to do it. Now this works for both PlayStation and Xbox One, so yeah, except the difference is the touchpad is the start menu, and then the start button for Xbox is just the start button. So I'm gonna go to my family called Phantom, and we're gonna load this in, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Alright, so first and foremost, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy a bunch of items, and we're going to do like a kind of before and after just to do it. So there's two ways. Okay, well first I'm going to show you guys how to buy the items first. I'm just going to buy a couple items so we can see if it actually do save, Let's just go to rooms. Let's go get some toys. Let's just see what we got here. Maybe get some. Oh, that cat's pretty cool. Let's put that in there. Or maybe duck. Yeah, let's do that. Friggin' Clifford. Is that Barney? Let's get him in there. Let's get his thing. All right. So after you're done all that, we're just gonna see if it saves and whatnot. There's two ways to do this. All right. We can either press start and go to manage worlds, or manage worlds all you on the top right. It's that little map with the location thing. So you can go to press start, go to manage worlds, or you can press it up top, manage worlds right there. But it's pretty easier. So you can press the touchpad to go to manage worlds, or you can press start on the Xbox One to go to manage worlds as well, whichever one is easier for you. Make sure you go to manage worlds. Don't go to save and go to manage worlds. Go to just go, and once you click that, it will go to the loading screen, and it should take us to the world map, or it should show us a different location. Okay, so whichever screen you're at, once you're at this screen, press start or the touchpad and go to exit to main menu right when you get to this screen, and then go to exit to main menu, not save and exit, but exit to main menu. And once you do that, it should have auto saved. Now we're going to double check and go back, of course, and see. Let's go to load game, and it looks like, yep, that is the time that we last saved. So let's see if our Barney is there. Alright, I'm gonna load back into my house. Oh, and Barney is still there. So it auto saved, you guys. Well, like I said, this works for both PS4 and Xbox One. We're gonna have to keep doing this until they release a patch. So I hope this helped out for you guys. Remember, do this each time. It should auto save and work. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Put the comments put the comments in the bottom and just let me know. Yeah, I'm here. You already know it's Raz Kid. And all right, I'll see you guys. Peace.